Mastering the present continuous passive voice in questions. Hello there, eager English learners. Today we're diving into a crucial part of English grammar: the present continuous passive voice in questions. If you want to sound more like a native speaker or simply understand English more deeply, this is the place to be. Don't worry, we'll break this down step by step to make it super understandable. Before we form questions, let's understand what present continuous passive voice is. Passive voice is when the focus is on the action, not who's doing it. The present continuous tense describes actions happening now, or around now. When these concepts meet, we get the present continuous passive voice. For example, the car is being washed by John. Here, the focus is on the car, and the action of washing. Now that we have an understanding of the present continuous passive voice, let's see how to form questions. The structure is are plus subject plus being plus past participle. For example, is the car being washed by John? Here, we're asking if the action is happening to the car now or around now. To get a better grip, let's practice with some examples. 1. Are the dishes being cleaned? Here, we're asking about the action happening to the dishes. 2. Is the house being painted? In this question, we're inquiring about the house. Remember, in all these questions, the focus is on the action and the object, not who's performing the action. Just like positive questions, we can form negative questions in the present continuous passive voice. The structure is isn't, aren't plus subject plus being plus past participle. For example, isn't the car being washed by John? Practice examples include 1. Aren't the dishes being cleaned? 2. Isn't the house being painted? That's it for today's lesson on present continuous passive voice in questions. It may seem complex at first, but with practice, it will become second nature. Keep practicing, and remember, the key to learning a new language is consistency. Happy learning!